So we're talking about protecting our net worth, and as I've mentioned, one of the ways we protect our net worth is through insurance. Well, it's not enough to just have insurance. You have to have sufficient insurance. So what does that mean? Okay, we're talking about real estate here, right? If you own property, your insurance is going to cover the replacement value. So if you have, God forbid, a fire and your home is a total loss, or a hurricane blows the whole thing away, you're going to get from your insurance company the replacement value. Well, if your insurance coverage amount was less than what your house is actually going to cost to replace, guess what you're going to get? Less than what the cost to replace your home is. Why? Because you didn't have sufficient coverage. So when you look at your annual insurance renewal, it's typically every year that you renew it, just take a peek at it, get an idea of what the market value is for your home, and make sure that your insurance coverage is close to or that amount. Because at the end of the day, if you want to protect your net worth, you need to make sure that you have sufficient coverage. Again, we know our net worth, we've built our net worth, and now we want to make sure we protect our net worth with property insurance at the complete value of our home. I can provide you with a free comparative market analysis so that you can get the true market value of your home. Use the link below, or if this is an Instagram video, go to my bio. Again, Alicia Daniel Hall with the Kai's Company. I am at Little Bit of Realty across all social media platforms. Don't forget to like and share.